Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. For this tutorial we're doing a super cool Predator face paint to celebrate the new The Predator movie that is coming out on the 13th of September, and you can actually win double passes to see this movie just by leaving a comment below. So to start this makeup, I've first put a little bit of white face paint into the middle of my forehead and kind of like an orangey yellow colour around the rest of my face. Now I'm kind of outlining where I'm going to be putting my big mouth and teeth, and I'm just using a white face paint just to outline this a little bit. Now I'm using a dark maroon color to darken out my eyes, and I'm using a flat brush for this. So this design is purely just using face paint. Of course you can use special effects as well, but you can also use a lot of the techniques that I'm using if you're going to make something a little bit more extreme with special effects. I'm using this maroon color as well to add some little lines just above the mouth, just to kind of add some wrinkles and some texture to the face paint. Still using the same color, I'm now using a larger brush, and I'm kind of using it as a dry brush to contour my face. And now I'm also filling in the full mouth area, trying to avoid where I'm going to be putting the teeth. We're super excited to be able to give away tickets to this movie. It's been 30 years since the filming of the original Predator movie in 1987, so it's awesome that this movie's coming out this year. Fun fact, actually, the original Predator movie was actually going to be called Hunter, which is also pretty cool, but I'm pretty happy they went with Predator. Now I'm going to go in with a white face paint, and I'm just filling in my teeth. For the teeth on the inside of my mouth, I actually used a baby wipe and removed a little bit of the red just so that it doesn't stain the white too much. And now I'm going to go in with a black face paint to add some depth to the mouth. And after adding the black face paint, I'm now going to use a Star Blend powder just to fade it out a little bit. So you can also use a super matte black eyeshadow. And I'm using this under the eyes as well and around the rest of my face to add some depth and shadow. Now I'm going in with a black face paint, and I'm just outlining my teeth and the mouth area a little bit, and just adding some extra wrinkles and depth throughout the rest of the face paint. And to add that really cool spotty texture onto the forehead, I'm first starting off with this orangey color, and I'm starting out with some bigger dots around the outside of my face, and they're slowly getting smaller and lighter coming into the middle of my face. After that, I'm also adding some black dots, which is a very iconic little pattern that the Predator has, of course. And to really make the face paint pop, I'm now using a tag white face paint, and I'm just adding all of my little highlights on there. This really makes the makeup super shiny. And now, using a big kabuki brush, I am using a black tag face paint, and I'm just filling in the whole neck area and onto my ears and things as well, just to kind of frame the makeup. And that is my Predator face paint all done. So now that you've made it to the end of this video, please remember to leave a comment down below to be in to win double passes to see the new The Predator movie on the 13th of September. And for those of you that actually are still watching, I'm going to give you double points just for answering this question. 2 governors came out of Predator. Name those 2 governors and double your chances to win those tickets. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you all next time.